goods. Go pay your dues. You know, see your man. And this is my man and my man and my man. And my man and my man and my man.
But poor thing, oh God, me sorry for George and Jody. Oh God, man. Oh God, man.
Blood clot.
TikTok really take Anna from country. Annie from country because just how the people them shop.
Go pay your bill. You depend my man. Go pay your bill since it's your man.
Oh,
and who bad
God.
man and jealousy a man because I don't know who pan TikTok want police. Who pan TikTok really in a them right mind want police. You think the girl am a idiot pan the app? Nobody over here no want police.
Yeah, I fool shut up. Annie want them. Annie.
No, she said the girl them want her man. And the girl them jealous of she and her man. And them not get her man. And who want piss pan?
But Shay, girl love man we roughing and gang sign up. I be a ball, me see TikTok police a ball, and girl I wanna cry.
That's why me tell you him could ramp with me because me da give him some blood clot. They can't tell him for wise up.
You can't rough for your woman, you can't soft for your blood clot woman. Or you for rough, or woman or man who can defend them. TikTok police can't defend Annie. If anything for go on, Shay. TikTok police run if Annie you fuck, you know.
Dirty police, your mother need help. Try help the woman. Your company internet come go like say your thing you're stinking Annie. Help the woman. Help her. Because the two now make money. Try help the blood clot woman. The woman tired of holding her blood clot. Yeah, that be a nice to make. Justice for Tom.
Yeah, I won't community name them.
Justice for blood clot, Tom. Help your woman.
The community because everybody on the road.
Blood clot. The woman, the poor woman, not really have it. She not really have it like that. You can't help her. Help your mother.
What do you bring woman?
Yeah, bring woman, go in pan the woman and them something there.
Justice for charge. People have the justice for charge cook shop.
Yeah. You know, say, she don't say, I'm going to carry me when I'm drive a walk shower.
But Shay, at this I'm want to know. And he send it for 4 days and he not be for 3 days. Zin? And now you up there for 1 week or 2 weeks. And 1 week you not be at final. Me bumbo clad. Yo, all in there, so dirty clothes pile up in there, so. Funky front in there, so. That the place is supposed to run still.
Justice for Jody shop. Justice for George cook shop. And justice for blood clot Tom. Guys, his mother named Tom. Tell him to help him, mommy.
What the cousin name?
And justice for Lenny. Lenny, we're gonna look justice for you. The man tired of the lies.
Bumbo clad. Bumbo clad.
Lenny.
That you don't follow
Lenny,
me,
we're
yeah?
gonna
You
get
don't
the
follow me
man
up.
tired of the lies.
And Jody, it's a Jody. Jody go college and she want to study, you know. She can't study in peace with Annie next door.
Me say Lenny, oh God, me sorry for Lenny. Lenny tired of Annie. Me not tell no like flex. Lenny tired of Annie.
And then people them say just to see whole community.
Yeah.
Just telling her the whole community justice and it have to go.
Annie need to leave, man.
You know what fuck up I'm gonna like
To leave.
Queen, me feel if your brother would then catch with the gun, you know, God no.
Lando.
India go
You
fuck.
are the one. Me not feel it for none of them.
No.
You are the one. Me not feel it for your soul.
India go fuck up all of them, you know.
Where am I fuck up for? You swear me not punk over man thinking crutch? Where am I go fuck up who for who? And you smarty for smarty run down.
You know, understand. You see, Shay, it's when a man can get like a free vagina. You do anything for it, you know?
Yeah, there.
A free. Almost the heads alone in my run around for.
Alright. What you know? What and it come like somebody, you see when you youth them a bus in a community, and he bus them. Any little body want bus. And then get off go for a bus. The first say yeah right. And someone like that, anybody beg and you not get and in a year. You have to beg look louder.
Our teacher use her and bust them. Because she love to taste. I taste her by, you know, she love to taste. Animal coming like Guinea. And the man them cock. So she taste it and then she know if it's sweet.
And they go live.
Use her mouth the walking Guinea tree.
You know, say Annie come like, you know, the people in back in them say, boss a youth. She just a boss be a youth pan her pussy.
And in a partial, if you beg Annie no get shame, me say Annie no hear. You have to beg look louder.
Yeah. She just a boss a youth, so.
Annie boss the community. Everybody in the community, them boss her for Annie. You know, like you learn to ride and you know that a bicycle long so everybody go ride it.
Right.
That bicycle there. And she have the training wheel her mouth. For the top there.
Annie, you see, police grandmother did alive, you could never did that at the house there.
Oh.
Yeah. Them see a she terrible. You see, if she was alive, Annie could have dead there.
The granny?
Yeah, the granny, she terrible. If she was alive, you could have dead there.
We're not fucking anything, you know. my cocky have ambition and class, you know, and any blood clot pussy man cocky that don't find you mad. Girl have class and ambition.
Yeah. So she can't even cuss Anna no more, cause anything when Anna see her mama do, it she do.
But
So me can't even cuss Anna no more. Me
Yeah.
can't bother.
all Redans can disrespect him, cause if you're there on live or so good, Redans can come this anytime, cause you know no shit.
Exactly. So me not blame Red Dance for class them matter because you know no respect.
We are
If
teaching.
me see upon live or so could me not come class here too?
Yeah, we are teaching little grand baby Wilbert say. When Wilbert come on here say in grandmother upon live or so good. Jesus Christ, poor Wilbert, you have it hard. No, sir. Justice for the this is somebody said justice for the bed we bling and buy Shay. Bumbo clad, this is somebody said justice for the bed we bling and buy. Yeah, if I never bumbo clad blinger, and you will get bed. And police will get bed. You see me? Shay, this is somebody said justice for the bed we bling and buy.
And that me know.
I blinger make he know about bed. You see me? And then me see man in bumbo clad, cross my bumbo clad girl like one like you want for this blinger. Cause if I never blinger,
I really want bed blinger buy one table she buy game.
Oh, on table.
Yeah, cause nah no bedded. The
If
two
I
of them
never-
lay down. See two of them here upon the blood clad piece of dirty sheet. Cause police nah no sheet, you know. See me upon the piece of flower sheet lay down with the different pillowcase. Move your blood clot. See me baby. Watch a lizard pan the window. Tell him, make him come out. She get up off of the bed now. Sure, move. I run out blood clot lizard.
She don't say, I'm not powerful, me bite.
I run out lizard.
Where is that the Shay in the house?
Lizard in the house, pan them and police tell her to get up, go run out the lizard.
Right at the blinger ears by the bed.
I bling on him by the bed game. If I bling on him, I floor him on blood clot police to the sleep on them. I'll bling for blood clot and if I respect blinger. Cause if I never blinger, she would go sleep on a bed.
Here you know flex.
I walk on again. In a
Oh
community.
yes. From Uncle Bumpy start build the house and know.
What do you say about Uncle Bumpy now? Come take my thing and make laugh to blood. Chat to don't fall out the page.
Justice! Uncle Bumpy!
What do you say Uncle Bumpy though?
From Uncle, you see the house which power say Annie wash your clothes?
Yeah.
Around there, so Uncle Bumpy start build a house. From him build the house and start it, he can't done.
Bumbo clot, Uncle Bumpy.
A police uncle, he name Uncle Bumpy.
Jesus Christ, poor Uncle Bumpy. So,
Then flex.
yo.
Never tell me say police spit bone in a honey hand. Remember that?
But and your garbage bin in a better thing going on.
Yes. From the man build the blood clot, nothing. I say it left. Justice for the man house. Dirty blood clot police and not take over the house. Yeah, it belong to Uncle Bumpy.
Oh, one day for that house, you want to go take from poor Uncle
You
Bumpy.
want capture the man blood clot house where him not done bill yet.
No.
Justice for Uncle
Yeah.
Bumpy and you're not getting it. You cannot buy this.
Uncle Bumpy wrote to
Suck your way through and you not get Uncle Bumpy house.
What suck you want, so?
Yeah.
Justice to Uncle Bumpy.
But when I say, this I women understand. And you not live in a community. 1 week good and them doing business. Imagine.
Annie, me I go give you a warning. If you
Last
continue
warning.
fuck with me I go get a video and put it out. If you continue fuck with me I go get a video of the whole yard, the whole review and everything, and me I go put up a blood clot and show the people in the old tabernacle where you in. Dirty Annie, go and fuck with me and you see.
No, but Anish went door already and say no door.
Not in a Annie house where she there. Up a police me attack.
Bumbo cloth, she gonna buy TV. Turn not for TV, police never have.
Because tonight, she
So police never on the TV.
No, Shay. I mean, I really say nothing about the TV. No, come. Me sell my TV through TikTok come out. Cause me rather tune into TikTok than watch TV.
they actually have one.
No, you didn't have one, Flex.
No, man, me still have TV, man. But you don't know that man style that. You see me?
But him, everybody come and see him send the Bexit bling off a boot and shoes. But she could have bring one boot, she could have bring one shirt.
Oh, police, bling off your boat and shows.
Yes.
And that make him start for woman.
Them can't talk to.
Alright.
Right now, I don't turn them are go bling a live in a blood clot sky. Blinger take flight. Them can't talk to Blinger.
The boy loves sweets. Everybody just should have a TV for yourself.
Yeah, that she want fun and door and I'm
People them say, Annie gonna buy TV for police and she want door. And if you pick them,
Yeah.
and she left you pick them
So,
up.
hey, but mama tell you something, Flex. You see the people them on TikTok?
Them.
Them normalize them type of behavior, yeah.
Yeah,
That is why Annie don't have a door and a fan and she go buy TV put in a man house. Bumbo clat. That's why Anna cannot be all she is. Una leave Anna alone now, man. Good God, man. Una can't leave Anna now.
You say,
Una see where Anna get all of the blood clot behavior from. No stinking Annie, man. Annie cause it, you know. Annie cause it make her daughter stay like that.
a generation curse.
Annie put everything before every man and everything before herself. Bumbo clot.
But imagine
you're not no door. You're not no fan. Jamaica hot. And you gonna buy TV for putting a man tabernacle and you not have a door? Bumbo clot. No, sir. Anybody me see a cuss Annie me a cuss. Anybody me see a cuss Anna me a cuss on the back. Leave Anna alone. Leave Anna now. The chip no fly too far from the brick. I saw it go. I want to say it.
But I see me and say Anna the pan alive a fuck.
Jesus Christ.
Sitting on a bag. But I see me Anna na disturb Jody.
No, sir.
Just when I talk about the screen and follow the page. This is sad.
This is really sad. You not have no tea. You not no door for yourself. You not no blood clad fan. The chip not fly far from the block. Okay. And you gonna buy TV for putting a boy tabernacle. And you don't have a door. You pity them live down there.
Oh God, me sorry
Jesus, please.
for them. Me sorry for them. Me sorry for them. Me sorry for them.
Jesus, please.
Now forget the door.
Here her last night, no? And Shay, you give away your pitney them, me give away my one them, but you sell your one them for little or nothing. Suck your mama. Because that's all you can cuss me and tell me. Give away pitney. Me give away my one them freely no blood clot, but you sell for your one them for little or nothing. You pimp out your blood clot data them.
I didn't have to buy no door. You know, so she said me can go
Me,
back
s-
on the door.
me give away my pitney, but me still have to mind them. Me still have to mind them. And me give away my me still have to take care of them. And you pimp out blood clot your one them. You make man jump in them look vagina before time. Remember so you live.
She said me can go work on the door. So she not have to buy it. She did start work on something. And she said me can go work on something else.
Dirty woman. You stink.
Jesus Christ, Shay. Annie, bumbo clad.
It's a level of carelessness.
You know,
You
say,
don't see.
a them woman they make man up in a jail to me that. Chad, me I go jump over. Shay, how happen?
Now me go fast pan people something and keep me out.
Shay, you know, say, Annie them make woman look
And
away.
it make woman look away or she.
As she make we talk down on certain woman and disrespect certain woman. So, cause if you see me,
And it can't make woman look no way. Cause me no feel no way. She make herself and her penny them look away. She can't make no other woman over here look no way. She
no for a
make
woman
her
them
own
shame me.
herself and her penny them look away.
Jesus Christ.
Me say
Jeez.
if Annie was my mother, my pies, my slow pies now. Where you give people for slow pies with it? Me that slow pies now blood clots.
Police it bling on the nation them say them want back in bed for them all get up for charity. Care back in bed. Care back in bed go give bling on the nation them all get up for charity. Jankro, you know no shame. And you walk this car. You come out and try this blinger. And if I never blinger you go get a bed for sleep on. When you go up a police place. What on go buy all them cheap bed?
Yeah,
them?
buy TV for police. And police mother Tom need some money and no can't get her. Me tell you so no careless, you know. Me on careless bad. Me
Yeah.
dey foreign if my mother can't pay her rent. Me send that for she blood pay it. A ball, me see my mother ball when me send money for she pay her rent. Ball.